Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, an existing storage account, and credentials that have storage blob access. Once you have those, open Azure CLI or Storage Explorer and authenticate. Use as login for a user or as login service principal for an app. Make sure to note the storage account name and container name now. This saves time when you create connection strings or SAS tokens in the next steps. Keep permissions clear so you avoid access errors later. Now you authenticate. Choose a SAS token for scoped access or use the account key for full access. Once done, construct your connection string or append the SAS to the blob URL. In Azure CLI, run as storage blob upload account name container name blob file locafile to push a file. Make sure to include account key or SAS token if needed. In Storage Explorer, connect with the key or SAS and navigate to the container to verify read/write. Confirm content type and metadata on upload. Finish by validating the blob in the container. List blobs, download one to confirm integrity, and set proper access tiers or metadata. For production, prefer managed identity or role-based access and rotate keys, or set short-lived SAS tokens to reduce risk. If something fails, check common issues: system clock skew affecting SAS validity, incorrect account or container names, insufficient IAM roles, or firewall/network restrictions. If you see authorization errors, reissue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.